Downloading custom content for The Sims 2 and all the files have a TS2 extension. These contain the mods and assets that transform your game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and manage these Sims 2 content packages. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional TS2 file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. TS2 files are package files associated with The Sims 2, the life simulation game by Maxis and Electronic Arts. They contain custom content modifications, including character skins, clothing objects, furniture lot designs, and gameplay modifications that extend the base game with community-created assets. TS2 files are package files associated with The Sims 2, the life simulation game by Maxis and Electronic Arts. They contain custom content modifications, including character skins, clothing objects, furniture lot designs, and gameplay modifications that extend the base game with community-created assets. For comprehensive file management, TS2 relies on The Sims 2 developed by Maxis. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows shows only superficial attributes, so accessing real content depends on modding utilities. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the TS2 file and choose Open With. Use The Sims 2 first. If it's absent, select another program. This systematic test sequence is essential. If the TS2 file is still giving you trouble, relax. It's just a no-go for the main program. To narrow down the issue with the TS2 format, start these 3 essential checks right now. First, install custom content. Copy the TS2 file to the Sims 2 Downloads folder located in My Documents, EA Games, The Sims 2 Downloads. Create the Downloads folder if it does not exist. The game reads all package files from this directory during startup and makes the custom content available in the game catalogs. Next, browse with SimPE. Download SimPE, the Sims 2 package, editor to inspect and modify TS2 file contents. Open the file in SimPE to browse all embedded resources, including meshes, textures, and object definitions. SimPE displays resource types in a tree view with preview capabilities for images and 3D mesh data. Finally, troubleshoot content conflicts. If custom content causes game crashes or visual glitches, use the 50-50 method to identify the problematic TS2 file. Remove half the files from the Downloads folder and test. Repeat with the remaining half until you isolate the conflicting package. Use SimPE to check for missing mesh or texture dependencies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of file magic. Get the download link at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.